From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Tyler Hughes with your Campus Weather Service CNET forecast for this Tuesday. And let's start by taking a live look over Beaver Stadium at this hour. Notice the clouds are certainly around in Happy Valley today, a temperature of 45 degrees right now, and it feels just a little bit cooler than that with some winds. Notice the clouds have been around for much of this morning as well. The sun hasn't come out much at all today here, and that trend is going to continue at least into tomorrow morning as well. Notice we'll have some rain showers that arrive late tonight, and then the steadier rain will arrive tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, I think we will have some afternoon and evening clearing. We could see the sun come out and maybe even some blue skies before the sun sets tomorrow. But the overall trend here is above average temperatures, and that'll continue through the end of the week and actually into next week as well. Speaking of above average temperatures, it's going to be December in just a couple of days, and we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 40s in central Pennsylvania right now, peaking out in the 50s in spots like Pittsburgh at this hour, just hitting 50. The good news is the radar is clear today as well, at least here in Pennsylvania. It won't be that way for long, though, and that's because of this system starting to make its way northward here. Before it makes its way northward to us, it actually is going to be causing some pretty severe weather for the south, chances of tornadoes, damaging wind, and hail as well. Luckily for us, we will only be seeing rain from this system. Notice as we step through to tomorrow morning, notice the clouds begin to appear on our doorstep and then the rain right after it in the western part of the Commonwealth, eventually advancing over to the central part of the state. Notice by 8:30 a.m., as you're heading out the door, those heaviest bands of rainfall will be in Center County. Then as we step through the late morning hours, I think the showers will lighten up a little bit and we'll see some on and off rainfall through lunchtime. Then by about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, should clear out and we may even see some peaks of sun. So that's the good news for tomorrow afternoon. It's not going to be a huge rainmaker, at least less than a half an inch of rain here in State College. I think our best chance of seeing above half an inch of rain is going to be in the northwest part of the state, north of I-80 as well. The big thing with this system is going to be the wind gusts. Look at gusts to 30 miles per hour and over here in State College, and even more than that in the higher elevations, places like the Laurel Highlands and the northern tier as well could see gusts up to 40 miles per hour and beyond that. And that'll continue actually through to tomorrow night as well. So that's something to keep in mind, that even once the rain moves out, those wind gusts will still be there. And hey, I mentioned above average temperatures as well. I just want to show you quickly. The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook takes us beyond maybe where the 7-day forecast will even take us. And it means above average temperatures for much of the east and southern United States and cooler weather for the northern US and western part as well. All right, the forecast for tonight, though, here in State College, a low of 39 degrees, overcast with some rain arriving late, I think into early tomorrow morning as well. Wind will remain calm until tomorrow. Tomorrow we're looking at a high of 52. Morning showers with some afternoon clearing and peaks of sun, but I think those wind gusts will stick around, so make sure you watch out for those. And when we take a look at the 7-day forecast, notice our next chance for rainfall comes Saturday. We'll be staying in the mid-40s, even hitting the 50s and sometimes. And our next chance to see some wintry weather and maybe even some mixed precipitation, keep your eye on Monday. For CNET, I'm student meteorologist Tyler Hughes. Have a great rest of your Tuesday.